Hello guys. Whoa. Hello lovelies, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Wow, I just went like really manly. I don't know what happened there. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a different video from what I have ever done on my channel before. I'm going to be showing you guys some hairstyles that I've been doing recently that I have been loving. You know, I'm not going to say like I'm not really good at my hair. My hair is honestly, when it comes to like beauty and makeup and like style or whatever, what is happening to my voice today? Honestly, hair is like one of my least favorite things I'm ever worried about. Like, it's never like a big thing on my mind, like, oh my hair, like, oh my god, it's gonna look perfect. I'm never worried about my hair. I thought like, here's some easy, quick and easy hairstyles that you can do because I find them easy because I go to work, so I just do my hair or how I, you know, like it to kind of be. So I thought I'd share with you guys my tips on how I do my hair. Let's just jump straight into the video. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. I would love for you guys to join me, or whoever's watching through the screen, to join my channel, because it would just mean a lot to me. And obviously follow me on my social media. I've been putting a lot more work into my posts, so hopefully you guys are enjoying. If you do and you're from YouTube, let me know in one of my recent pictures or just a picture in general that you guys are from YouTube, because oh my god, I would be so shocked and just happy that, whoa, she's zoomed in. Hello. Whoa, I'm looking a little crazy. Let's fix this situation up. I saw a girl do her hair like this and I was like, ooh, I like. So I did it yesterday and I really loved it, and it's not something I really usually incorporate in my hairstyles, but I'm changing it, becoming more comfortable with myself. So I thought, why the hell not? So I get about like a good, way too much. I get a good like pinch size amount of hair. Probably get about that much. Let's try and match that. These are like my shorter bits of my hair that were meant to be my bangs. Yeah. These were meant to be my bangs. So I grab those shorter pieces, leave them at the front like so, and then I'll part them a little bit so I can see. And then I just like kind of grab my hair up. I'm not really like perfecting it. I just literally push it up into a high pony. And honestly, I think the messier the better too. Like, it don't be like too phased on how it looks. Give it a little bit of volume, push those bits back, kind of just adjust it to like how you would like it, and then voila. I don't know, I feel like lately this has been like a really big kind of hairstyle. Honestly, I'd rather my bits here be shorter. I would cut them myself, but I'm not a very good hairdresser myself, so I feel like professional would probably be better done for me. But really messy, just like on the go, pull bits out to pull your face in together, chuck it up into a hairstyle, and it just looks super cute, super girly. I'm just gonna leave these front bits out, but I've also been loving doing the same kind of thing, but I move my hair down lower. And I just put it into a low bun, just like so. I think it's super cute, super easy as well. It still gives you like that extra feature, but then yeah, I just like make it really messy, just do it how I like. But I don't know, I've just been doing this lately too, and just like really experimenting with my hair, so this has been one that I've kind of found cute. And yeah, it's just super simple. I wish these bits were so much shorter though. It would look so much better, but you gotta do with what you can, and this is what I've got. The one hairstyle that I've been loving lately, and I always get commented on when, hold on, my nose. I always get like comments when I wear my hair like this that I look really pretty. You can see my face. So I thought I'd show you guys. Usually I have my hair parted differently. This time, I think this week I have it down the middle, but I always like to change it up just because it's nice. And my mum always told me that but what I do is I go from my ears and I just go back like so, and usually I grab like hair from the back as well, just to make my hair look a little bit more seamless. So I usually just grab like the top bits that connect and I just tie it. I do it down low first because when you do it up high, my hair, I don't know if anyone else's hair does it, but it tends to like go up really high and then just looks ridiculous. So then I just push it up a little bit, pull a few bits down. It's kind of like make it a little messy, zoosh the bottom part up. Whoa, kick the camera, sorry guys. That's usually what I do. Sometimes I pull like little bits out, but God, my nose is hating me today. If I want to be a little more fancy with this hairstyle, I like to put this beautiful leopard thing in my hair. I usually just like tie it up and just leave it like so. So it's in my hair like that. So I usually just do that, which I think is a really super cute, easy kind of hairstyle. Really summery, and even though it's coming into autumn, I just think it's still pretty cute to wear. I usually had my hair scented, so this is fine. So I used to grab like a section from like about here. Yeah, so about that much. And then I would pull it back so I didn't get like any lumps, but I'd plait it. Or whatever this is called in wherever you live. I'm pretty sure this is also called a braid, but I'm just plaiting it. And you can kind of see it. And then this is kind of gross. Sorry. And then do the same on the other side. So I usually from there just pull it back like so. And sometimes I used to just leave it like so. I used to actually just tie it back, which kind of like seems a bit weird, but like I used to love this. I used to tie it back, have its little plaits, and I used to think it looked so cute at school, just like something a little different. Or I would intertwine that hair into a pony. And voila. And then at the back there is kind of, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like the plait look, which I think is just like really cute. Sometimes you get little bumps like that, but like, what can you do? But like, I just thought it looked super cute back in the day. Just something, instead of like plain ponytail, had a little bit of something in it, and it just looked really cute. It wasn't really a video that kind of went to plan. I actually thought I had way more hairstyles than I did, but I really don't, which is fine. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching some of my hairstyles that I've done over the years and recently found that I loved. Very simple, very easy. Obviously, I wish I had bangs, which I'm scared to get because I feel like they won't suit me, but I will never know until I get them. So, gotta have a try at it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know down below, and also give it a huge thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll let you go, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!